Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I am Alex, and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
Maya, last week we learned how to answer, "What do you do?"
Yes. And after that question, people always ask the next one.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Tell me about your family,
Exactly. Today we talk about family and friends.
the people we love, and the words you need to talk about them.
Simple words, real phrases. Ready? Let us start.
Okay, the basics first. Your mother and your father.
Together, they are your parents. Mother plus father, parents.
Informal words, mom and dad. That is what most people say.
My mom is a great cook. My dad loves football.
Then, your brother and your sister.
And here is a beautiful word, sibling.
A sibling is a brother or a sister. One word for both.
Do you have any siblings? That means brothers or sisters.
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister.
And if you have no siblings, then you are an only child.
An only child, no brothers, no sisters, just you.
Next, your grandmother and your grandfather.
Together, your grandparents. Informal, grandma and grandpa.
My grandma makes the best cookies. Every grandma does.
True. Then we have your aunt and your uncle.
Your aunt is the sister of your mom or dad.
And your uncle is the brother of your mom or dad.
And their children? Those are your cousins.
A cousin. I have 7 cousins. Big family parties.
7. Wow. Okay, how do you talk about your family?
Easy pattern. I have plus the number and the person.
I have one brother. I have 2 sisters. I have 7 cousins.
And to describe them, my brother is older than me.
Or, my sister is younger than me. Older, younger.
My older brother, my younger sister. My big brother. My little sister.
Big brother and older brother. Same thing. Both are fine.
And a lovely question to ask someone, are you close?
Close means you have a strong, warm connection.
I am very close to my sister. We talk every day.
Beautiful. Now, friends? Because friends are family too.
A friend, a good friend, a close friend, a best friend.
Your best friend is your number 1. The friend.
My best friend and I have known each other for 10 years.
And what do you do with friends? You hang out.
To hang out means to spend time together. Relaxed, no plan.
We hang out every weekend. Do you want to hang out?
Such a useful phrase, very natural, very common.
Also, to meet up. Let us meet up for coffee.
And to catch up. When you have not seen someone for a long time,
Let us catch up soon. That means let us talk and share our news.
hang out, meet up, catch up. 3 golden phrases.
Okay, time to practice. A little dialogue. We just met at work.
Lunch break, small talk. Go.
So, Alex, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. And you?
I have a younger sister. She is 2 years younger than me.
Nice. Are you close?
Very close. We hang out every weekend.
That is great. My brother lives in another city.
Oh, do you see him often?
Not often, but we catch up on the phone every Sunday.
That is really nice. Family is important.
It is. Okay, back to work. But let us have lunch again tomorrow.
Deal.
And scene. Did you hear how natural that was?
2 questions. Do you have siblings? Are you close? And boom, a real conversation.
Let us repeat the most important words from today.
Parents, mom and dad together.
A sibling, a brother or a sister. One word,
An only child. No siblings.
grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousins,
Older, younger. And are you close?
a best friend, and hang out, meet up, catch up.
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is sibling.
Sibling. A brother or a sister. One beautiful word for both.
Do you have any siblings? I have 2 siblings.
My siblings and I are very close.
Sibling. Say it with us. Sibling.
Perfect. Now you can talk about your whole family.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 14.
Today we talked about family and friends, the people we love.
And our word of the day was sibling.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. Do you have any siblings? How many?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.